smoke billows in the skies of Addis Ababa and its surrounding areas. Now the only visible aftermath of another day of violent clashes in the Ethiopian capital. The protest started as an outpouring of grief over the murder of Hacaalutiin, whose songs laid bare the struggles of the Oromo people, turning him into a symbol and cultural leader for the community. Hundessa was shot dead on Monday in what police say was a targeted killing, though the exact motive remains unclear. An argument over the burial of Hacaalu's body sparked a standoff in tense protests, with the government subsequently shutting down internet service across the country.
የጠላቶቻችን ፍላጎት የጀመርነው ስራ እንዳይሳካ የኦሮሞ ሕዝብ ከሌሎች ብሔሮች ጋር በዚሁ ምክንያት እንዲባላ እንዲጋደል ደም እንዲቃባ የጀመርነው ጉዞ እንዲደናቀፍ
Dozens of people have been arrested following the violence, including prominent politician Jawar Mohammed, who's led calls for Oromo rights. Though he once supported Abiy Ahmed, himself Oromo, he's since become a major opponent, reflecting growing dissatisfaction with the Ethiopian Prime Minister. Though his election in 2018 inspired a wave of optimism, critics say he has not done enough to address Oromo grievances. Ethiopia's largest ethnic group, the Oromo people, have long suffered what many describe as economic and political marginalization under consecutive Ethiopian governments.